Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire 8 Study Vlog. If you guys are new to this channel, then subscribe to the channel to keep yourself updated with new videos. Today I woke up little late. It's around 8:30 and it is happening with me since past 3 to 4 days that I am little late. And yes, it is affecting my productivity also because I have realized that when I wake up early around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, so my day turned out to be really productive. So yes, I am trying to get back to that my habit. And after waking up, I did a little bit walking in my balcony itself. Then I watered my plants, and I also cleaned the soil, leaves, separated some of the dead leaves from the plants. And I really like to take care of the plants, and I really love my plants, and because they make me happy. These are small saplings of moong and jowar. I have planted it recently, and apart from it, I also have this flowery plant, as you guys can see in this particular video. And apart from this, I also have some of the medicinal plants like tulsi. And whenever I make my herbal tea or green tea, I take leaves from this particular plant. Apart from all this, I also planted some of the rye seeds and a few of the chana seeds also, just to experiment. So that's why I just planted this. I also planted some of the wheat because I want to make juice out of that wheat leaves. So yes, for that particular purpose I planted that also. And I am also experimenting, and I'm trying to make a bonsai of banyan tree. So that's why I found this particular plant near my house, so I took that out, and here I have planted it in a little pot. And in few weeks I'll be able to see the result, and I'll be successful in making a bonsai. After completing my walk, taking care of my plants, I got freshen up, and it is around 9:30 and I'm having my breakfast. And in today's breakfast I am having sevaya, wheat sevaya made in milk, and along with it I am having some of the dry fruits. It is around 10 o'clock in the morning, and I have started with my first study session after completing my breakfast. And in today's first study session, I have started with my revision, and I'm doing revision of my geography subject, and in which I am revising my geography maps. So whatever notes which I made earlier for geography, all the things relating the neighboring states, or what are the river systems, mountains, so all those physical features for which I made the notes. So today I am revising all the notes, and I'm also, like, when I'm revising the things, I'm just looking at the maps which I made earlier. So with reference to it, I'm reading my notes also. So this is the particular method which I use to revise it. And also after it also, I sit with some empty maps, and then I practiced it on that also. I did the revision for 2 hours, and now I am taking a small break. It's a 30 minutes break, and after completing the break I have started the second study slot. It is around 12:30, and I'm practicing some of the physical features, like whatever physical features which I recall. So it is in some order particular. So right now I'm practicing mountains, so after it I'll be practicing rivers. And I really like this particular method which I follow, that whatever physical features I'm able to recall, I mark those things on the map which is posted in my study area. So I mark those things with a whiteboard marker, and my maps are laminated, so I can easily erase those things and practice it multiple times. And I have also made a video that how you can use your big maps to prepare for UPSC. So the link is given in the description box, and I have made videos for both for the India map and also for the world map. So it is a very efficient method, and I really like this particular method because it works for me, and because of it I am able to remember and recall most of the places which I mark on it. And it is also a kind of accurate thing because underneath the political map is also there, and on above it we are marking out the physical features or anything which is related to current affair also, so it's very effective. I practiced on this map for around 40 minutes, and after that I took 30 minutes break, and then I started my third study session of the day. And currently it's 1:30 and I have started with ethics, and I am reading the book Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, and the author is G. Shubha Rao and P.N. Roy Chaudhary. And yes, if you guys are watching my videos regularly, then you must be knowing that my ethics portion is left. So I'm trying to cover my ethics portion as the civil services examination date has been extended, and I'm feeling really lucky that yes, the date has extended and we are able to cover the things which we were not able to cover earlier. So yes, I'm taking full advantage of it, and I'm trying to cover my ethics portion. This is my first reading of the book, so that's why I'm not highlighting anything, because I don't want to mark everything or unwanted things. So I'll highlight things in the second reading only. My ethics study session was 2 hour 30 minutes long study session, and after it I took a lunch break, and in my lunch I'm having veg pulao. After enjoying delicious veg pulao, I started with my fourth study session of the day, and it is around 4:30, and I have started with my sociology revision for paper 2. Today I am reading the chapter Perspectives on Study of Indian Society, and I am revising my sociology portion so I can attend any of the mains test series, because earlier I have practiced answer for mains, but it is just the previous year questions, or either it is the questions given on the back of the chapter of the book Essential of Sociology. So yes, I have just did some of the practice of mains answer rating through the previous year papers and some of the practice papers given in the book, but I have never attended any of the full length test for my sociology mains test series. So once I'm done with the revision, or even like half of the revision for the paper 1, I would like to attend that mains test series. So for that is my target, that before my prelims I must give few test series for my sociology. After completing 2 hour 30 minutes long study session, I have taken a small break, and in this particular break I am preparing detox water for myself, and I really like to consume detox water, and I keep on experimenting with it. Today I am making it out of mint leaves, and not only it tastes good, but it also have a lot of health benefits, as it helps us to keep balanced alkaline pH levels in our blood. It keeps us hydrated throughout the day. It helps in better digestion. It also reduces oxidation stress, and it also supports weight loss. So there are a lot of benefits of consuming this detox water. We fill everything in the jar, and we have to keep it aside for 5 hours to 6 hours. Then our detox water is ready to consume, and the detox water which I am pouring in my mason jar, I have kept this particular jar ready in the morning, so that's why I am able to consume it right now. After enjoying a 30 minutes refreshing break, I am back to my study area, and it is around 8 o'clock, and I have started with my fifth study session of the day, and here I am watching the current affair videos. I have been reading current affairs and tracing the current affair event more. It is now more than 1.5 years, and now I'm realizing that there are some news and there are some issues that keep on repeating, or there are some issues that keep on extending also. So I'm trying to figure out a way where I can make some of the mind maps for such topics, or I can just make some digital notes for that, because that will be really relevant and a good idea that everything will be at one place. So if you guys have also noticed this particular thing, so please mention it in the comment section below, that what you guys do for that particular news or that particular topic which you are reading in the current affairs, and it is continuing or it has been repeated. So for example, there are some water disputes, or there are some air quality index. So these are the issues, or issues regarding animals, so these keep on repeating. So please tell me in the comment section below that what you guys do for that. It took me 40 minutes to watch this video and make a very quick notes, and after it for 1 hour 30 minutes I read the Vision Eyes Current Affairs magazine. My fifth study session was 2 hours 20 minutes, and after it I took 30 minutes of break, and currently it's around 10:30 and I am planning for my next month, and I'm writing it down in my diary. So basically I just write down the calendar, so it will help me to keep trace of the days. And mostly I don't do planning on a daily basis, I just make a long term plans, but it's not that long. So they are the just monthly plans what I make, and I enlist all the things that I have to complete in this particular month. So broadly I wrote down the things, and depending on my how my plans are going or how they are executing, depending on that I keep on changing those particular things. So I'm writing down that for this particular month I have to do revision of my prelims test series, I have to practice for my mains test series, then I have to make a quick revision notes of my earlier notes which I made, and also I have to do essay practice, I have to do revision of my GS and sociology notes also. And just below it I am also making a short list of things which I have to do on daily basis also, and these tasks keep on varying on my daily basis, and mostly I keep trace of the things that whatever I have planned on starting of the month, whether I'm able to accomplish those particular things or not. So after the month is finished I just tick marks those things in this particular page only. This is my strategy to make plans. So first I make a broader plan, then I execute that particular plan, and then I see how well it is going, and if something is wrong then I try to change it, or otherwise I just follow my plan as I have written. Happy study hours to all. If you guys like my video then give a thumbs up, and also share your valuable views in the comment section below. And if you guys are new to the channel then do subscribe it, and thanks everyone for watching my videos.